What's up, ladies and gentlemen? FFDev here, and today we're going to be talking about procedural generation, particularly in creating alternate dimensions. And also, if you can, if it's not too much trouble, try not to be like the T-Man. Alright, so first things first. There's several games that use procedural generation. There's 7 Days to Die, Terraria, Minecraft, Necess, and many more. But in particular, what I want to talk about is alternate dimensions. And what do I mean by alternate dimensions? I mean kind of like how in Minecraft there's the nether and there's the end. If you've ever wondered about how you could do this, there's several different ways you could go about doing this. Think about a 2D world. Simply, like if you were storing it in an array, the most common form that you would use is a 2D array. I know there's other ways to save it, but think of it as a 2D array. But when you're wanting to add a dimension, you're going to need it to be a 3D array, 3-dimensional. And the way I do this is, your standard 2D map is an X and Y, and there's an example on the screen here that you see. If you don't know what I'm talking about, but just think about putting a D in front of that, so there'll be 3 arrays. It's 3 deep. So now not only do you have your X and Y, but you have an X and Y on that particular dimension. And by doing this, you can choose, what's rendered and what happens to the player, what the player can see, if things can affect something that's in the same dimension or not. And so by doing this, you don't have to generate alternate dimension really far off somewhere else in the game, super far off where the player hopefully doesn't run into it. You can put it in the same space, and you can have players in the same spot in screen, I guess in world, but in a different dimension where they actually don't see each other, and there you don't have to worry about it. So if you want it to be infinitely generated, this approach makes the most sense to me. Hopefully you guys were able to gain a little bit from this video. This wasn't going in depth on how to do it, but if you guys want to see a little bit of procedural generation, let me know. I'll go about creating a video to show you guys how to do that. But if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment below what type of videos you want to see and what you want to learn about, and I'll try to create a video on that. You guys are the best, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys.